My dear sir, comma, I hope you will think it worthwhile to consider, comma, as far as possible, comma, the alteration of the date of the laying of the foundation stone, comma, and I am sure a little consideration will lead you to a decision that will materially enhance the chances of a successful gathering, full stop. Is it worthwhile ignoring the wishes of a small but influential section of your supporters in this manner when a slight alteration would be of advantage, question mark. In other respects, I think no fault can be found with the arrangements, full stop, close.